Hi and welcome to part 8 of Mapcite's Add-in for Excel video series. In this video we'll be looking at the new spatial functions that cover CO2e. What is CO2e? CO2e is the collection of all the molecules that will absorb heat and warm our atmosphere. Understanding our potential CO2e or carbon footprint can help with carbon reduction and accounting. So let's dive right in. As in our previous videos, let's head over to the Spatial Functions button up here and open our Spatial Functions tab on the right hand side. We can see we have two new options in here. CO2e Freight and CO2e Business Travel. So freight is when we're transporting something, some goods. We can look at our potential carbon through freight travel, or business travel. So when we're traveling somewhere, how much CO2 we might create. So let's start with freight. We can click in our cell here, start typing equals Mapcite, and we'll get a drop down and we can see CO2e freight. Double click on that and start populating the fields. So we have a start latitude and longitude. So let's take this first one here, Hinckley. There's our latitude and our longitude, and then we need a destination where we're taking our freight to. Let's go for this Melton Mowbray one down here, that long, and the weight of the freight that we're taking. So let's go 200 kilograms, and then the type. So I'm going to enter van. Now the options are van, HGV, freight, flight, rail, or cargo ship you can use. So I'm going to close off that function, hit return, and there we go. We get an estimated CO2e of 4.83 kilograms. As easy as that. Okay, so that was freight. Now let's have a look at business travel CO2e. Now we simply again just click on our cell, start typing equals Mapcite, and our list of functions will come up. We click business travel, and then we can start populating as we did before. Very simply, our start latitude. So let's start with this Leicester one here. Latitude, longitude, and then we're going to go to Melton Mowbray here. So latitude, longitude, and then travel type. So things to note here on travel type is if we select car, motorbike, or taxi, it's calculated per vehicle. But if we select bus, coach, rail, ferry, or flight, it's calculated per passenger. Okay, so let's go for car. And close our function, hit return, and there we go. We can see over that distance traveled, we would have created 3.8, or an estimate 3.8 kilograms of CO2e. Now, if we click back into that function, we could change it. So let's change it to, let's try bus, hit return, and then per passenger, we're going to get a different figure. So 2.74 here. Okay, so that was CO2e, really easy to use, gives you a good estimate, a good starting point for understanding your carbon footprint, and great for kind of doing carbon accounting and that kind of thing. Thanks for watching.